What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And in today's video, I want to talk about the best host travel agencies for beginners. So you're looking to be a part of the travel agent industry, and you're trying to find out ways how to become a travel agent. So kudos to you. Congratulations. You're in the right direction because you're even thinking about joining a host agency. So that's the right move to make. So yeah, that's a good thing. Kudos to you because you want to join a host agency, partner with a host agency. Now, the good thing about being with a host agency, and this is why I recommend it, host agencies, you will have save you a ton of time on trying to get certified as a travel agent. When I got started with this host agency that I'm about to refer you guys to, so make sure you stay to the end of this video to find out this host agency which I'm talking about. So when I first got started, it didn't take me nothing but 24 hours to become a certified travel agent. So pretty much once I enrolled and got started, I pretty much had the ability to sell and book travel. Okay, so if there's something you're looking to get into, partner with a host agency, so you're on the right path. Now, another tip is you need a website, and the good thing about a host agency is you have all that built in. You have your website, you have your all the tools, all the vendor access, the training, the knowledge, support, everything you need to become a professional travel agent. Because keep in mind, if you try to do all this on your own and try to put all the pieces of the puzzle together, you're going to waste time and money. Okay, you can do it, but starting out as a beginner, I do recommend a host agency. Now, the one that I'm talking about, I want to share a presentation with you all on the next page. You'll see a video. Watch the video and learn more about this host agency, which I'm affiliated with, and how it can help you. See the insights of it. See what type of tools, training, and offers, and how much leverage income you can make by partnering with this host agency. So it doesn't matter if you don't have any experience at all. It doesn't matter. Training is there at your fingertips. Tools, resources, everything you need is right there at your fingertips. So keep that in mind. Make sure that you watch the video on the next page. If you have any questions, me and Yamika will be surely gladly to answer all of your questions. Just drop them in the comments below the video. And if you like this video, give me a good thumbs up. You know, give us something. And that's pretty much all I got. So the best one that I recommend, see it on the next page by clicking the link below in the video description or in the video here. Okay, click that little tab here and see that presentation. Okay, so Larry Porter signing off with Majestic Travel. So if you have any questions, like I always say, reach out to us. All right, that's my time for this video. So be blessed and happy marketing. All right, bye-bye.